Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix your browser not connecting to the internet on your Mac system. This usually occurs if you are connecting to your Wi-Fi or router for the first time, although it can occur at any time. So if you want to fix this issue, the first thing to ensure is that your network strength is okay, it's very good, and then the date on your system is correct. Like, you need to adjust the date setting to make sure that it's correct. Once you make sure that these two things are in place and you're still having to connect to the internet, so that's what you're going to look at. You can watch this video to the end to see how to fix it. So now I'm already connected to the internet that is not working. Now I need to switch to another Wi-Fi just to show how this thing works. So from the taskbar I can select Wi-Fi and change my Wi-Fi from the taskbar here. So I will switch to another Wi-Fi connection. So I will enter the password. Now I'm connected. I need to refresh this page just to show that the internet connection is not working. Let me refresh. As you can see, the internet connection is not working. So I'm going to show you how to fix it now. Let's go back to the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi settings at the taskbar. So I'm going to, you will need to open Wi-Fi settings when you are connected. Then you need to check, click on details. Now we need to get the router address. From here now you can see where is show router, the address. That's the one starting with 192.168. So you need to select this address and command C to copy. Just spread command plus C to copy it. Then after you have copied it, go to the DNS settings. You can add another one. So just paste the router address you copied earlier and press enter. So you have just fixed this issue. You just need to wait for few seconds. Just wait for a few seconds and your internet connection will be okay. So you can wait for a few seconds and refresh the page. So let me refresh this page. Oh, so you see, that's how to fix the internet connection on your Mac system. So if you are having issue with Wi-Fi connection, you can follow this guide to fix it. Thank you for watching.